everybody, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to talk about all of the amazing stuff we have recently received in the mail.
Like Crystal said, today we're going to go over everything our lovely friends, you, our viewers, have sent us in the mail. But first, let's get some housekeeping out of the way. Make sure you click that red subscribe button down below. Make sure you click that thumbs up button so that we know you liked this video. And make sure you click that bell notification next to the subscribe button. That way you're notified every time we release a new video on Mondays and Fridays. Well, let's dive right in and get started with what we have gotten in our P.O. box from you. First off, I received this amazing DVC members hat. Now, on Twitter, we follow the DVC duo. And we had mentioned that when we were on our last cruise, I did not pick up my DVC hat like you can at the DVC meetings. Well, Nate and Serena, make sure you check them out, dvcduo.com, fellow Disney bloggers. They wrote us and said they had an extra hat and would like to send it to me. That was so nice of them, so kind of them. I was able to get the hat I wanted and completely forgot in the chaos of our first cruise to go grab. So thank you very much for that.
And he loves hats. He wears them all the time.
If you can't tell, in every single video, I'm always wearing a hat.
Next up, Alyssa's ears, who you guys know I've talked about her several times before. She is absolutely amazing. She makes the best ears, and she always is willing to customize any idea I have. She sent me some amazing ears. I'm so excited. First of all, you guys know how much we love Starbucks. So these Starbucks ears are absolutely perfect for us because no Disney day can begin without our Starbucks fix. So now I can happily wear my ears every day when we go to Starbucks.
It was like Alyssa knew her.
It's like she knows me. And then she made these, which are absolutely amazing. I had told her I was looking for something with like the silhouettes of the Fab Five. And so she made these double-sided ears with Mickey and Donald on the front in silhouette in this one with a blue bow. And then look at the back. It's Goofy and Pluto with a purple bow. Absolutely love them. They're so cute. I've never seen anything like these. Like I said, she is awesome about customizations and kind of like making whatever it is that you have visualized in your head a reality. So definitely check her out on Instagram at Alyssa's Ears, ELYSSAS. Ears, and she's also on Etsy.
Next up, we received a candle from the Magic Candle Company. Now this is something we have been wanting to try for so long. We've seen different people doing videos on tests, all kinds of things. It's been awesome. We've heard they're great. Well, we received one from our friends at Our Happy Place. They are such good friends of ours. We did a giveaway with them not too long ago. And it was so kind of them to send us this candle.
It smells so good. It smells just like the Flight of Passage ride. It's amazing. And of course it's called Banshee Flight, so it's supposed to smell like that, but it actually does. It makes me want to order every other candle that they sell so I can always have our house smelling like Disney. But this candle is amazing, and I cannot wait to use it. It's so awesome. It smells so good.
One of our vlogs, she actually was watching and heard Crystal mention that she loves the smell of Flight of Passage. So that's why she sent us the candle. That was so beyond nice of her.
Yes, thank you so much. That's so kind.
We appreciate it more than you know.
Yes, absolutely.
And if anybody was wondering, if you ever want to send us something, it is not at all needed. We appreciate it. We do this for fun. We do this to hopefully bring you guys some awesome content that you want to watch. But if you want to send us something, we won't say no. We'll make sure to give you a proper shout out and thank you in a video. But down below in almost 90% of our videos is our P.O. box. You can find it in any of the descriptions.
So if you guys are on Instagram, be sure to head over to Wandering Right. That's right with a W, so WRIGHT. She makes some amazing repurposed shorts and pants and jackets, and she does incredible work. And she sent me this awesome Lion King tee. It's so cute. It's got little Simba on there. And then these really cool shorts, which I'm really excited to wear. So these are dark denim shorts, and if you can see, she's put Lion King fabric on the shorts. It's just awesome. Like, these are really cool, and she does really awesome work with different movies, different patterns, different all types of stuff for Disney, for other things as well, not just Disney, but all kinds of stuff. and her work is really cool and unique, so definitely check her out because I'm so excited to wear this on our next trip to Animal Kingdom. This is just the perfect Animal Kingdom outfit. So thank you so much. I am so excited to try these out, and definitely check her out.
So the next item is simply something I decided I needed for myself. I bought myself the new Villains Magic Band. And why, might you ask, I bought this? Well, my birthday's coming. So I bought myself an early birthday present. Last year I bought myself the 2 limited edition Last Jedi Magic Bands for my birthday. So this year I decided what better present than a Disney's Villains Magic Band. So next month I'll be wearing this for my birthday trip. Then one more item I bought myself for my birthday. Last time we did a mail time, I believe last time. But anyway, if you remember, Crystal got a few shirts from someone that we still don't know who. Thank you for that. One of them was a 4-park shirt from Carolina Magnolia Designs. Well, I decided I needed that myself. So I bought myself the same color and everything. I actually bought a matching shirt to wear with my wife without remembering what color it was she had.
He had no idea it was the same color.
I had no clue it was the same color, but I'm going to proudly wear this on my birthday trip with my wife. So it's going to be great.
Yay, matching shirts.
I don't know if we're going to actually do the 4-park challenge, but we're going to wear the shirt.
Someday we are.
Someday.
Let us know if you guys are a fan of matching shirts or if you refuse to do matching shirts. We'd love to know where you fall in that issue. Let us know down in the comments below because we're big fans of matching shirts. And by we, I mean me. So
if you catch me in the right mood, I might end up buying like 6 sets of matching shirts. But then I won't do it again for like 2 years.
No, and he'll only wear the shirts for like part of the day.
Yeah.
And then he'll
for pictures.
Change.
Then I bring my second set of clothes. And
but I appreciate it nonetheless because we still get really cute pictures in the shirts, and I love doing the matching shirt thing in Disney. So let us know where you fall on that.
And if you don't know, we have a pretty awesome Instagram for Love of Mouse that she puts all those pictures on. So you can check them out there. Link down below.
Last thing, and this is something I am so excited about because last year when I was at Flower and Garden for the first time, I saw the flower pot mugs that they had last year. And I was like, oh, we'll be back in a couple months. I'll just get one then. Well, of course, by the time we went back, they were sold out. So I messaged our amazing friends, Bob and Ashley. Check them out on YouTube. They're so awesome. We absolutely love them. We love hanging out with them. And I messaged them and I was like, when you guys go to Flower and Garden, can you get me a flower pot mug? And they did. They picked me up the Figment Epcot and Flower and Garden Festival mug. And I absolutely love it. I've used it so many times already. It's perfect. It's everything I ever wanted in a mug that looks like a flower pot. And I'm so excited I finally got one because it's been a year in the making. So thank you so much, Bob and Ashley, for picking that up for me. I really appreciate it and know that I get good use out of it. So thank you for standing in line. I appreciate it.
Well, there you have it, folks. That is what we received in our P.O. box lately. Wanted to share it with you and make sure that we gave proper thanks to everybody who was nice enough to send us something. Once again, if you want to, do not feel the need, but our P.O. box is listed down below if you would like to send us something. We'll make sure that we shout you out in a video and let you know how much we appreciate what you've done.
Thank you for stopping by.
And for the love of the mouse,
never forget
that it all started
with a mouse.